Turtle. Oh, God. Turtle. Another duck. Turtle. No, don't jump. Don't try to jump. Drop your phone. Don't try. No, don't try to drop your phone.
What you see?
Right there.
Oh, fish.
Catfish.
Oh, look, one right here.
Oh,
Actually, look.
no, I already saw that.
Oh, you saw him sitting right there?
I see that one too. That big one. Woo-wee. Big, big, big.
Yeah.
Hey, Landon, come here. Landon, come here. We never found him. Oh, this one. Picture perfect. Size. This will work for you. Easy day. It sounds like the same thing as. Now you have very small hands, so this would fit you perfect. No.
This a kit come with all the different kinds in it.
I think I am better off with this one.
One like that.
Wow, this is big. Not that big. I like this one better. I like this one better too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, God. He's right.
A little kitty fishing pole. This time y'all like them kind of little smaller poles. A pocket combo.
He ain't gonna do you nothing, I swear. He just wants a hand, petty. That's all he wants. See?
Ready to go on our fishing trip. Okay, where we going?
St. Charles Boat Club.
St. Charles Boat Club. So, like, what can we expect to catch? Like, catfish? Man, do you think you're gonna catch you some fish?
Yeah, I think so.
What you think you're gonna catch? What you gonna go for? Some what?
Something big.
A good big catfish?
Yes. Well, Landon, I'll put you in the water.
Okay, go fast. Open, please.
that, boy.
What type of fish is that? I
It's
don't
a
know.
googly eye.
God.
Wow. That's a good fish, Lana.
Let's see.
Let's see, first catch of the day.
Yeah.
Open the cooler.
What? Oh, open the cooler, Lo.
Let's go. That was a good fish.
Day, Logan.
Worms.
We got worms. What you got? What we got up in here? And some minnows.
Look
Yeah.
at them.
And we got some other type of bait too. Other little small types of bait. Oh, we got some night crawlers.
Give me a second.
It's a big juicy worm. Wind up. You got too much slack in your line. Wind up some.
That's a dog.
Oh, look what you got, you mom.
And Dad, what kind of fish is this?
That's a bread.
A what? Oh, brim. Yep.
Let me see. Yeah, hold it. Let me see. Just hold a thing. Hold a string. Yeah, now turn around and say cheese.
Hey, pull first. Pull. You gotta tighten your line and pull.
Dad, you caught another one? God.
I'm over there playing with yours.
Not something playing with mine too.
He got off?
Nope.
How?
Nice.
Mom.
Nice. Oh, he nice. Oh, he nice.
Yeah. Let's go. My second catch. Let's go.
Yeah.
You got something. You got
Roll
something.
him in.
You got something. You got something. What is it? Flip him under that. Oh, man. There he go.
He's
There,
heavy.
there go that man.
He was kind of heavy.
Well, you got to take the fin off first.
There he go, Mr. Fisherman. If nobody can fish, Logan can. But
Keep rolling. Keep going.
there you go. Come on.
Keep
Come on,
going.
Lo.
Keep going. Keep going.
Let's see. Oh, what that is?
Oh my God.
Hold on, Logan. Relax. Let that do. Go. Look at that boy.
That big boy. Sunfish.
Okay.
Big one too.
Come on, Landy. Come on.
It's a big old joke. Yeah. You can't wind up no more, son. Just pick it up.
Let's see
That
what
thing
you
just
got.
having its way. You probably swallowed the hook. I'm gonna have to get my tool set out to get that from out.
What you got?
A googly eye.
Let me see. Yeah, that thing had been swallowed that.
Oh.
That shit. Hold on, baby. Oh yeah. Come on.
Caught. Ooh. The same fish that he caught.
There you go,
Hello.
boy.
Reel it in. Keep going, Logan.
Woo!
Reel
Woo!
it in. Reel it in.
Get it. Keep rolling as strong as you can, boy. You get. All right.
But it's still a red ear. It's still a catch. Are we? Where's Logan's? No!
You got off? Oh,
No, he on him.
I didn't
Hold
feel
on, hold on. Hang tight. You might not.
I didn't feel from a second. It felt like he just.
Hold on, Logan. I'm about to get you in the game.
Man, Logan, reel it in.
Come on. Take the hook. There we go. We good now. We good, baby. We good, baby.
Reel it in, but
Tough guy. you, I'm gonna get you in the building. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, you go.
Bro.
Ooh, that's a nice boy.
No.
Get your.
Go. Got him.
Let me see.
See what I'm saying? Lift, and it's gonna catch him in his mouth.
He reeling.
Come on. Double hook. Double hook. Yeah. Wind up some more. Wind up some more.
Yeah.
Double hook.
God. Oh Lord Jesus. Right up. Hold your thing.
Come on, man. We gotta get you.
Yee. I'll pull it back. So we're trying.